Hello, hello, hello. You're welcome to my channel today. And today we're going to be changing, as you can see, my camera is already on the tab. We're going to be changing this tab to our new, this gentleman right here, this new delabie tab. This is going to be the new one. We'll be changing it to. And I'm gonna just start right away. So, first of all, always remember to shut off the water. That's the first thing to do. Always shut off the water, which I'm gonna do now. Shut off the water to make sure, or else you're gonna cause a flood in your house. And you can see the water is off. Water is off. Okay, so that's off now. So now that the water is off, how we're making use of these two pillars. As you can see, they're labeled blue and red. So the blue is for the cold water and the red is for the hot water. We'll be using this pillar for the new, like I said to you earlier on, this is the new delabie tap. And these are very, very good taps, because no matter how hot the water is, it will not pass 42 degrees. So it eliminates the risk of scalding. Okay, right, I'm gonna get on to start the work now, and I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, we've taken out the whole tap, and then we just leave that right there. And then we've got these two new pillars. This is the hot and this is the cold. And that just, this is a 180 center to center, and this is a reducer pillar that brings it up to 150 center to center. So I'm just gonna go and put that in right away. Okay. And this is the nut and the washer. Put that right in. And then right. Okay, so the pillars are almost in now, but you have to make sure that it is 150. You have exactly 150 because of the center of the new delabie taps, TMVs. So you make sure you have, because the reducer is 150 to 150, and that's exactly 150 to 150, as you can see. Okay, so now we have our two pillars tight in, and now we're gonna put our baby right here, the new delabie tap. And you have to make sure that you have the washer right inside of them, and make sure that it is center to center, because this is 150 center to center. If not, you might tread on thread, and that might damage the pillar or the nut right there. So I'm just gonna put that in, and just as you're turning it in, I just wiggle it a little bit. And then as you tight one side, you go on the other side as well. Don't tight one side fully and then come to the other one. That's not a good way of putting it. And then here I'm gonna use an adjustable spanner. Just get it in. Don't over tight too much on it. Okay, so once the top is in now, you just have to make sure that you put this chrome protection just to cover the nut. And that's your delabie top right there, all set. And then you can put in your shower hose underneath it, which I'm going to do a bit later. So I'm just going to go right underneath and connect the hot and cold water back, and then we'll come back to test for leaks. Okay, as you can see, our delabie TMV top is in right now. We've tested for leaks, no leaks, and these are the ones you can use with the peelers right there. So this is on a cold, the blue is cold, and then the red is the hot. You have the mixer right there. It mixes it to about 42 degrees for you, 41, 42 plus or minus. And then you can also see this is the shower. If I press this up now, the shower comes on. So that's for the shower. And this is where you can adjust the flow of the water. Yeah, so that's our delabie tap installed. Perfectly working all right. No leaks, and this is gonna last you for so long. No risk of scalding. It's a very good, which I would recommend for any one of you. And in the box, you will have a barcode here where you can use the manual for your guidance when installing this. I'm gonna put the link, at the bottom of the thing, so you can. I'm gonna put the link at the bottom of the, the link on the video, so you can get one of it. If you want it, if you want to install one of it yourself, or if you need any information, just send us a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Peace. Bye.